For the next part of this video, I want to go over uploading an audio file. So to upload an audio file, we need to click this upload icon here. Here we can toggle between image and audio. And if we choose audio, we can simply click on this icon here, this pad, and it's going to bring up Uploader. We can then select the file and it will give you a preview of that file. Now I've added the file. You can see that it's 19 seconds long. It's an audio file that I've already used within this video, where I was just saying that I used WizWrite to create tasks the other evening and then use the integration to send them where I needed to send them. So if I want to, I can listen to this to make sure that it's correct. Alternatively, I can hit the transcribe file button. Once I hit the transcribe file button, what's going to happen? It's going to upload that file. It's going to send it to the AI for transcription, and then it's going to return that transcript to us. So perfect. It's given me that output. Remember, if I want to fix up the output for any sort of brand names that the AI is not familiar with, I can do so by simply going in, editing, and hitting save. And then if I want to run an AI action on this transcript, I can do so by hitting run AI actions, choosing the one that I want, and it runs. See, very simple to go from audio to a transcript to then content that I can actually use. It was super simple process, and we can even do that all in one if we just set up an auto AI action on the first screen. So let's do that now. You'll see that I still have it set to the demo folder, so the output will go to this folder. If I set up some custom AI actions, we'll go for the funny WizWrite post and the surfer bro. We can do that. So what's going to happen is now when I upload a file, it's going to send it to this demo folder. It's going to transcribe it, and it's going to run the funny WizWrite posts, and it's going to run the surfer bro on that transcript automatically. So one button click, nothing else happens. It's going to do all those actions for me. How lucky am I? So we come in, we can click audio again and find the file that we want to use. Once we've added that file, we can see the length of it, we can preview it, we can play it if we want, and we can then hit transcribe file. Again, the process is going to go, it's going to upload the file. It's then going to send it to the AI. The AI is going to give us a transcription of the file. We are then going to run the AI actions on that, and you'll see that we have our funny WizWrite posts, we have our surfer bro, we have our transcript, and we have our audio file. And if we click the session icon in the top, we can see that that last one has been sent to the demo folder, and that's perfect to me. If I want to see all of the things within this demo folder, I can see that I have now got 3 items within it, which is pretty cool. So that's how you can upload a audio file and then run AI actions on it. So a few caveats for this just at the end of the video. We sometimes get people asking us, what is the length of the file that I can put in? Can I put a full meeting in? Can I put an hour long, hour and a half long video in? And the answer is WizWrite isn't the tool for you if that is the way that you want to use it. We are not purely a transcription tool. We are a tool that takes your transcript and transforms it into other AI content. This is generally voice notes of seconds to minutes long, and then taking those and transforming them into what you need them to be. WizWrite is not a tool for putting in large audio files, transcribing them, because then you're going to have a wall of text which is incredibly long, and it's going to be too long to run the AI actions on, and that isn't a good experience for anyone. So we have very much positioned and marketed product to be for voice notes and transforming short voice or other transcripts which are long and involving sort of multiple people and conversations and meetings and that sort of thing. If that is the type of tool that you're after, I'm sure there are other tools on the market, but just keep that in mind that when you are uploading audio on WizWrite, we generally think less than 10 minutes is best. If it's longer than that, then it's not really a good fit for what we are doing. And it's just good nature for me to be transparent on that. So I thought I'd make that clear. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to show just adding raw text and how you can use this function to then create some awesome content with AI. Let's get into that in a moment.